Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another XPR Network videos, guys, and in this video, we're going to be discussing Metallicus and the Fednow connection. It's going to be an interesting video. Do watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins. You guys can see which coins we usually discuss. We discuss these as well as other potential gems as well. So if you're interested, then do hit the notification bell and subscribe for regular videos. And guys, the passionate and super supporters can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon. Anyways, guys, let us begin first and foremost with the price of XPR Network at the time of the recording, guys. If we look at the monthly chart, XPR Network is up 15.35% for the month, priced at around $0.001024. If we look at the all-time chart, guys, told you that XPR Network has been building at this time. In 2021 bull run, it went to 0.043, but since that time, guys, it has obviously plummeted down. And according to the advocates and supporters of the XPR Network, they're saying that this was the time that XPR Network was building. So they've built a great foundation according to them. Anyways, guys, there are skeptics as well as ardent supporters, depending on who you talk to. There are a lot of people that are extremely bullish. The others are not that much. So yeah, but if you look at the yearly chart, guys, it is up 0.005867%. It is down 6.65% for the day, but these are the levels, guys. These are the support range. The monthly chart is showing us a rather clear picture because these are the support lines that I think might stand now, and I think the price might rebound, but not financial advice. Obviously, the market cap is $25 million at the time of recording. If you look at the metal chain, guys, if you look at the metal chain, basically it is down 9.11% for the month. At the time, as the saying goes, that buy when there is blood in the market. If XPR network and the entire Metallicus blockchain is the Metallicus ecosystem is what the ardent supporters and the passionate supporters claim it to be, guys. I mean, these are rather great buying prices. If it is anywhere near what it is claimed, and there is proof and there is also further validation. I'm going to be showing you something that you're going to be liking as well, which obviously, in my opinion, further justifies that these might be good buying prices and good prices to get into XPR ecosystem, the Metallicus ecosystem, basically, guys. Only $10.41 million market cap, guys, with the current circulating supply, 23.63% metal blockchain. So, what am I talking about, guys? Check this out. I got my hands on this great graphic, guys. I really liked it. This is from Lonzo Mars Crypto. Shout out to him. This was a really good graphic, decentralizing finance, empowering our future. I'm going to showing you some other stuff as well, so stay tuned. This is going to be an interesting one. So check this out, 2023 Year in Review. This is Metal Blockchain. And this claims, obviously, this furthers the claim that Metal Blockchain is ISO 20022 compliant, and it is deeply connected with the Fednow service, 24/7 instant payments pioneer, first and foremost. The other thing we need to look at, guys, check this out, partnerships and integrations. Check this out, compliance. Metal Blockchain becomes ISO 20022 compatible, BSA compliant, Bank Secrecy Act. So check this out, it is compliant. And these are the integrations partnerships. Check this out, guys. JH FinTech, J Exchange integration, Fiserv. I'm going to be talking about this in a moment. Payments acceptance integration, Temenos exchange kickoff, Rarible partnership with a focus on marketplaces, multiple research agreements with financial institutions. So let me show you something, guys. First and foremost, if you haven't heard about Fiserv, check this out. Fiserv Inc. is an American multinational company headquartered in Brookfield, Wisconsin, that provides financial technology services to clients across the financial services sector, including banks, thrifts, credit unions, securities, broker-dealers, mortgage, insurance, leasing and finance companies, and retailers. So, what is interesting is this was founded in 1984, Nasdaq listed it. What is the FedNow service and why is it important? So, what is the FedNow service now, which we saw here? The FedNow service. So, what is it? Basically, the FedNow service instant payment network goes live. Impact on financial institutions. There's been a persistent buzz around the FedNow service, the Federal Reserve's new payment network, since 2019, when the Fed announced it would build its first new payment rail in 50 years. Guys, the first payment rail in 50 years. Stress this out. I'll stress this out. Interest escalated when FedNow service launched on July 20th, 2023, with 35 participating financial institutes. Guys, just 35 participating financial institutions, guys, and 16 service providers, and this includes Fiserv. Let me show you the official website of explore.fednow.org. Check this out. Service provider showcase, which Lonzo has described over here, delineated over here. Let me show you guys. This showcase contains a registry of service providers that advertise an ability to help financial institutions and businesses innovate and implement instant payment products using FedNow service. Now check the names out, guys. Look what we have here. Metallicus, Metal blockchain, guys. And not just this. On page number 8, what I found, check this out, Fiserv. Fiserv Instant Payments Product Suite. Fiserv offers a broad range of payment solutions and related platforms. So, we're now interested in checking Metal blockchain out, the Metallicus connection out, guys. Check this out. So this is on the FedNow official website, services and products to support the FedNow service. Metallicus is the core developer of Metal blockchain and industry leader in blockchain innovation tailored to the financial sector. Champions security and compliance, which Marshall has time and again stressed that this is their main target. This focus ensures the delivery of secure, real-time blockchain services to banks and their clients. So Metallicus will leverage a financial institution to service provider integration model to support financial institutions in utilizing the FedNow service through digital wallets and advanced blockchain solutions based around data transparency and data service. Enhanced digital identity verification adds an extra layer of security and trust for both banks and customers, ensuring secure and compliant financial operations. Guys, Metallicus has always said that security and compliance is their first and foremost a target to achieve. And by rubbing shoulders with these giants, FedNow Service, Fiserv, they're just consolidating that claim, guys. In a rapidly transforming financial landscape, Metal blockchain offers secure, real-time payment processing, reduced transaction costs, and efficient automated operations, all underpinned by advanced digital identity verification and robust escrow capabilities. Guys, they've got this on-chain digital identity verification, which has been missing in the blockchain industry, and this has this has time and again become a hindrance and a blockade for enterprises to check this entire industry out, to get into this industry. And what XPR Network is doing is revolutionary. You have to check this out in detail. It has got various sections as well, segment, solution types, so P2P platform network, core banking platforms, risk management and fraud services, digital wallet, FedNow functionality support at FedNow service launch, connectivity to the FedNow service via Fedline solutions, product roadmap for additional functionality. Metallicus is actively working towards connecting with the FedNow service. Transactions, use cases support, account to account, business to business, awesome. It is Metallicus ecosystem is fully optimized for payments, guys. Payments, businesses, financial institutions, compliance, regulations, you name it, guys. Products, functionality, benefits of adoption and target release date, data storage, compliance and risk mitigation, efficient transactions and smart contracts, advanced digital identity verification, awesome. Metal blockchain delivers the secure, real-time blockchain solutions tailored to the specific needs of banks and financial institutions. So it is well tailored and customized for banks and financial institutions. That is great. Through its suite of products, Metallicus will offer both branded and white label digital wallet solutions leveraging the Fednow service, guys. Great, phenomenal, guys. I really was. There are a lot of projects that I discussed, but time and again, people were saying that you should not cover XPR. They have been here for so long, but they haven't done anything. The price hasn't moved, the chart hasn't moved, and they're basically a lot of people were saying that it is basically no good. But I mean, the research and digging at least brought me to this conclusion that it is worth covering, and I think there is longevity to it, and it might be the real deal, and the ones that people would talk about for years, because it might be obviously crypto can go south, north, not financial advice, but guys, $25 million market cap, $10 million market cap, guys. These are great prices. I mean, it is worth it. Metal blockchain as a layer zero blockchain can work with a variety of banking credit unions core platforms regardless of their underlying technology or architecture. As a core agnostic solution, Metal blockchain can integrate seamlessly with existing core banking systems, enabling financial institutions to leverage its capabilities without disrupting their existing infrastructure. So, guys, what this means is that Metal blockchain, being an agnostic solution, wouldn't disrupt or mess with the already existing infrastructure of these banks. It would already directly go and integrate with them. So who wouldn't want this? Which financial giant wouldn't want this, guys? So this is awesome, and do hit the comment box below and give your opinions about Metallicus, the ecosystem, XPR network, Metal blockchain, and whatever you guys want to contribute to the community. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in any of these other coins as well, then make sure to hit the notification bell and subscribe. And guys, the passionate supporters can become a Patreon and support the channel. And like I always say at the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.